Welcome to our free digital marketing courses. Today I am very excited. This video is going to benefit you to step up as a creator. After watching the full video you will be able to create artwork for Facebook ads, YouTube thumbnails, posters, banners, and various type of social media publicity material for your online store, page or even for your offline shops totally and absolutely free. Yes, free. Therefore I suggest you to watch the complete video, and if you are new on my channel do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that I can send you notification whenever I upload new video. Let's get started. Today I am going to tell you about some free tools, the ones that majority of successful digital marketing professionals are using. The good news is that you do not need to be an expert to use this. They all are designed to work perfectly for a beginner to expert graphic designer. This will really help you create a brand identity for your business. The first in our list is Canva Com. If you are looking for graphics for your website, social media marketing, for your customers or for whatever related reason, Canva Com is a great free resource to start out with. That is why I keep it on number 1. So go ahead and sign up with your Facebook or Google account. With Canva Com, I will be sharing the link of the website so that you can create the Canva Com account. The best thing is that if you are working on any project, you can leave it in the middle and continue later on next day or week. It will be there as a last saved item. You will get tons of ready-made templates. Canva apps are also available for Android and iOS. Suffice, there are a lot of other tools available, but Canva is on the top because it is easy to use and they have got so many high-quality template free, which makes the creation of high-quality social media graphics so easy. For choosing the brand colors, here are a few famous tools: Design Seeds for inspirational color palettes, Coolors palette generator, and the Paletton palette generator for your brand identity. Choose your colors. If you have a clear understanding and a color you are passionate about, that might be the best way to start. But if you have no idea, then Design Seeds is a great site to start with. I am going to include all the tools link in the description box so that you can use it. For free high-quality stock photos and videos, there are great websites available online where you can purchase high-quality images. What about some good free high-quality photos? Here are the websites I love. Number 1 is Unsplash.com, next is Pexels.com, and Pixabay.com. I have given the links of all free resources in the description box. Visit the sites and enjoy using high-quality images without copyright issue free of cost. If you want to make a quick super-duper video presentation from text, then Lumen5.com is amazing. Lumen5 uses artificial intelligence system. You can copy your blog or whole text and it will automatically prepare a video presentation for you, which you can later amend as per your requirements. But for registration you may need an official account to verify. If you are looking for a free fonts, DaFont.com and Font Squirrel, both are free resources for commercial use. Make sure you are using ones that are free to use for commercial projects. All the resources in this video are free to use with no copyright issues. However, you may find some high quality images, videos or audio paid version, as this is where these sites earn money. The best tip I want to give is to take 3 of your favorite brand as a case study and visit their website, Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter and other social media pages and watch closely how they are using their colors, fonts, imageries, across their sites and social media platform. By doing this you will learn how these brands are doing great job having a brand identities across websites, across social platform. That is what you should be doing with your own brand. Come up with the styles that you can use with any type of platform. This is all from now. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to create a wow effect. Please leave your comment below in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great learning.